Okay students, our next topic is to prove second equation of motion. I have written just second equation of motion. So in the same manner, the examiner can ask you in two way this question. First of all, he can also ask you drive second equation of motion. Secondly, he can also ask you drive s equals vit plus half at square, or he can also ask you prove that s equals to vit plus half at square. So this is the question, and you have to use again the graphical method to prove this. So notice down, you have to plot the same graph. You have to plot the same graph which you have proved, which you have drawn in your previous first equation of motion. I look at same graph, but only here come the distance. This equation measure shows s is the distance, So for distance, how to find the distance from this graph? So if you have to find the distance from the graph, you have to find the area under the graph. So I have divided this curve into two parts. Like this is the curve, straight line, the same motion of the body. So if I draw the perpendicular on this, I will get this right angle triangle, and second figure is the rectangle. So these are two figures. When I add the areas of these two figures, I will get this required equation. Okay, so first of all, I will go to the triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC, I will write area of triangle ABC. How to find the area? Area is base into height. So what is the base? Base is here AC. And what is height? Height is BC. Okay. Now you have to put the value. What is the value of AC? Value of AC is equals to T. And what is the value of BC? You have proved in the previous equation value of BC. Value of BC is like BD total. BD minus DC. You have proved in previous equation. Again I have to do this. What is the value of BD? That is VF. And what is the value of DC? That is VI. And what is BC then? You have to find BC. So what we have proved? VF minus VI, BC is equal to AT. Notice down, VF minus VI. Is not it the first equation? So value of BC is equal to AT, which is equal to VF minus VI. But here I will write only the value AT, not this whole value VF minus VI, because I have to prove this equation. So that's why value of BC is equal to AT. Okay, so you can say, write the name of this equation as equation 1. Now area of this second rectangle. Firstly, I have found the area of this triangle, that is T into AT. If I simplify it, I can write it AT square. Clearly power 1, when they are multiplied, they are added. So variables powers are added when they are multiplied. So 1 plus 1 give you 2. So AT square is the area of this triangle. Now I have also written the area of this rectangle inside. Clearly, what is the formula to find the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle. I think you know how to find the area of rectangle. Length multiplied by width. So what is the length here? OD or AC, anything you can write. Okay, I will write OD. And what is width? DC. So clearly OD equals to like T, and DC is equal to V. So I can write DC value first, VI, and value of OD is T. No matter if you write T this side or VI to that side, there's no matter. They're same thing. But because I have to prove this, VI is coming first, so that's why you can write VI first. So this is the second equation. Write it like second. Now what you have to find? Total distance under this curve. So total distance under this curve, you have to add both the areas. Area of this triangle plus area of this rectangle. So we'll write total area equals to triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC area of triangle ABC plus area of rectangle. I will write a symbol of rectangle only shortly. Symbol of rectangle. Okay, now put the value. What is the area of triangle ABC? Area of triangle ABC is 80 square, and area of rectangle is this one, VIT. So in the equation, look at the written first. So it means you have to write area of rectangle first. So first write area of rectangle VIT plus area of rectangle triangle, sorry, that is 80 square, half. Where is the half then? 80 square. Here we have skipped some term. 80 square. 80 square. Area of triangle 1 by 2. 1 by 2 base into height. I have missed something here. 1 by 2. Here I have to write 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So it means 1 by 2. So now I have proved that VIT plus half 80 square. So this is the area of our whole graph. And a total area denoted by S, because distance is denoted. If you have to find the area give you distance. So S is equal to VIT plus half 80 square. So this is the equation you have to prove. Okay, let me explain to briefly again, because I have missed here in the formula area of triangle ABC half. 1 by 2 is the formula, AC is the base, BC is the perpendicular. So that's why you have to write half. Value of AC is equals to T, and value of BC I have found from this equation, first equation of motion. You have to find this value from first equation of motion. BC is equal to 80. So that is value 80. Now multiply this, I will get a half 80 square. Now area of rectangle, length into width. Length is this, like OD, and width is DC. And now OD is VI, because OD you can write like DC. Actually DC is VI, I have written first, and DOD is equal to T. No matter, you can write either side or this side. Then total area, you have to add all these two values, area of triangle plus area of rectangle. So I have written area of rectangle first and area of triangle again to that side. Then this equation has, we have proved this equation, S equals to VIT plus half 80 square. So this is the second equation of motion. That's all.